Today on Stitchless TV, I'm going to show you how really easy it actually is to print at home your PDF sewing patterns. Now I'm going to take you right to the beginning where you actually purchase your sewing pattern. Now I'm purchasing my own sewing pattern, which is the pontoon teardress, of course. So you add it to your basket, and then proceed to checkout. Now I'm entering as a guest, so you put in your details there. And then when you've done that, then just continue to the payment system. So fill that all in as just as normal, like anywhere else. And then click the box and pay now. And then when you do that, you'll get an email. So go to the Etsy transaction email, open that up, so you'll see that you've got two files there, and if you click on one of the links, the pontoon, it will very slowly open out the PDF. It's going to take quite a while to open because it's 31, well in this case it's 31 pages. So there you go. So you can see all your pages there. So in this situation, they're A4 pages, and there are 31 of them. And when you go to the last page, that's where we've got the layout. Now it's good to look at the layout because it gives you a clue as to how to stick them together. Right. Now what you need to do is to click on the print icon, and it will open up your print folder, just like printing anything or any other PDF. So if you can expand out the more settings bit, and if you see where it says scale, we absolutely do not want that to be fit to page, and most of the time by default it will be fit to page. So scroll down to custom and make sure that that either says 100% or actual size, which is the same thing. Now for our pattern, I recommend that you print in colour. So if you click that box as well, and then you just click print and go and make a cup of tea whilst it prints 31 pages. It doesn't take long. Right, when it's printed out, it will be like in order, and the last page for mine is the layout. Now you begin by matching up the alphabet. A goes to A, and then B to B, C to C, and you'll see you need to fold back one edge so that the registration marks line up. So you kind of do one row at a time. So I do 1 to, I think it's 7, and then 8 to whatever it goes to, and then you stick those rows, and then when you've done that, so thank you very much for watching. I hope it wasn't too boring, and see you again as soon as I can. Bye!